guys, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. My name is Jasmine. Today I'm going to be doing showing you guys how I got this fall makeup look. I tried my best. Try to make this one look like a leaf. I didn't really do it successfully, but I tried, so that's all that matters. I really hope you guys like this video, and yeah.
Hey guys.
Hi. How are you? I'm currently trying to fix my hair.
And I'm her brother.
My little brother's trying to help me film. He's being irritating.
Hi. I got a haircut. We just moved.
He has a haircut. That's important information, I guess.
My name is Antonio.
Yeah, oh yeah, that's Antonio. My hair looks like booty, I just don't care. This is not a hair tutorial. I have no idea how to do hair. I actually really suck at it.
She's trying to do her makeup actually, but her hair was messed up because she was sleeping. She sleeps all day.
You gotta talk crap, dude. This is my video.
I'm going to punish her. I don't need to see my nippies.
This might look stupid and it feels crooked. Why can never anything ever go right? Now I look like alfalfa.
But look it out.
Yeah, this is a better hairstyle.
Yes, sir.
My bun looked better than this. I got an idea. I don't have an idea. I'm thinking of an idea.
Maybe
Does it look crooked?
No, kinda.
Yeah.
What?
My hair. Ah. Ah. Now my hair just looks dumb. This looks stupid now.
Coco doggy.
Nobody mind my hair. Trying to fix it. Trying. This is all I'm doing. I freaking quit.
Don't say nothing about her booty fingers.
Shut the hell up.
So. Got a wedgie.
Okay. Hi guys. I spent the first 10 minutes of this video doing my hair.
8 minutes.
Same difference. I don't need you. So today we are going to be doing a fall makeup look with kind of like a fall, I don't know what to call this thing. You'll see, I'm just doing a fall makeup look with a leaf on my eyeball. To prime my eyes, I'm going to be using this Too Faced Born This Way concealer in the shade of Vanilla. I'm going to be using the LA Colors Jumbo Eye Pencil and seashells to trace out the leaf. I'm going to use this eyeshadow palette right here that I got off AliExpress, which I will link it in the description below. And I'm going to be using this shade right here. And I'm going to take that orange shade and I'm going to, keep making, sorry guys. Try to make my leaf. Okay, and that's the shape I'm gonna go with, whatever. And now I'm gonna use this Perfect 23 Matte Colors eyeshadow palette, and I'm going to use this shade right here. Okay, so I did that, and now I'm gonna go in with a brown shade. I'm going with this brown right here. Okay, now I'm going to take this Inglewood brush with that Too Faced concealer, and I'm going to clean up around the edges on the leaf. Okay, now I'm going to go in with this Hendayan eyeliner. I got it off AliExpress. It's actually not that good, but it's a liquid eyeliner, so I'm just going to use it. It's a yellow one. Use any yellow liquid eyeliner. And I'm gonna make the little lines that are on the leaf. This looks bad. It looks really bad. Now I'm gonna go into this shade right here as a transition. Now I'm gonna go into this orange shade. Now I'm gonna go into the shade right here. Now I'm gonna go into this dark brown shade right here and deepen that up. Okay, last shade. I'm going to go into this black just a little bit. Now I'm going to go in with a little bit of that Too Faced concealer again. Put a little bit on my lid. And now I'm going to go with this Naked Cosmetics Naturally Nude Loose Eyeshadow. And I'm going to put that on my lid. Now I'm going to go into this Maybelline Lemonade Craze eyeshadow palette. I'm going to use the shade Main Squeeze right here. And I'm going to put that on the inner part of my lid. I'm going to be using this Radiant Liquid Eyeshadow by Nika K. And the shade Polaris Peach. And I'm going to put that on my lid. For mascara, I'm going to be using my Maybelline The Rocket Volume Express Mascara.
I go wet my booty blender. The booty blender.
I'm going to go into foundation. I'm going to be using the Too Faced Born This Way foundation in the shade Ivory. Concealer, I'm going to be using my Too Faced Born This Way concealer in the shade Vanilla. For setting powder, I'm going to be using my Maybelline Fit Me setting powder in 05. To bronze my face, I'm going to be using this Wet n Wild Mega Glow contouring palette, and I will be using this shade right here. Okay, now
You're a rock star.
I'm going to go back into this Perfect 23 matte color eyeshadow palette, and I'm going into that orange shade right here. And I'm going to run that on my lower lash line on this side right here.
Are you still recording?
Yes, why?
Because
I'm hungry, dude.
I did a turkey sandwich.
A turkey sandwich?
A turkey sandwich. You want some of it?
I want a real cheese sandwich. I'm almost done. All I need is eyelashes highlight.
Oh, thank you.
I went into this shade up here. I'm gonna deepen it up with this shade.
Hola, Kelly.
Oh, hi.
I'm gonna be using this Profusion Luminizer 1 highlighter palette. Use the shade Impulse and highlight my inner corner. I'm going to be using this Artist Couture highlighter and Illuminati, and I'm going to add that over that Impulse shade. Ow! Hello, darkness, my old friend. now I'm going to use that Ars Couture highlighter and highlight my brow bone with it. I'm going to be using that Ars Couture highlighter in Illuminati. I'm going to be using this Model's Own lipstick in 05. And now I'm going to set my face with this Clean Color Pro Sealer Setting Spray. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Also, click that bell so you'll be notified every time I post a video. I love you guys so much. Oh yeah, and don't forget to follow me on all my social medias. Love you guys so much. Bye.
I'm dead.